In this video, I'll show you how to connect ActiveCampaign to Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. Next, search for ActiveCampaign, open the official app, and click Install. Review the permissions and approve the installation. After that, sign into your ActiveCampaign account and authorize the connection between ActiveCampaign and your Shopify store. Now configure your sync settings. Choose what data you want to send, such as customers, orders, products, and abandoned cart information. Next, save your settings and wait for the initial sync to complete. Depending on your store size, this may take a few minutes. Once the sync is finished, open ActiveCampaign and confirm that your Shopify data is being imported correctly. Finally, set up automations like welcome emails, abandoned cart emails, and post-purchase follow-ups to start using your integration effectively. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect ActiveCampaign to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.